In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Multibrush Tool in Krita. To use the Multibrush Tool in Krita, first select the Multibrush Tool from the toolbar. Once selected, choose your brush settings and adjust any options you need before drawing. To create multiple brush strokes at the same time, click and drag on the canvas while drawing. The tool will repeat your brush movements based on the selected multibrush settings. You can adjust the multibrush options to change how the repeated strokes appear and control the way the brush creates multiple lines. You can use the multibrush tool when creating patterns, textures, effects, and artwork that requires repeated brush strokes. It is useful for creative designs, backgrounds, sketches, and detailed illustrations. The multibrush tool in Krita helps you create multiple strokes quickly by applying your brush movement in different areas at the same time. It makes it easier to add repeated details and unique effects to your artwork. You can adjust your brush settings anytime to change the appearance, size, or style of the strokes you create. And that's how to use Multibrush Tool in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.